Hi, this is an idea for a final project that I worked out, and I'm willing to give it to someone on a first come, first served basis. So taking a look at the app when it's not running, you can see that there's a maze on top in the shape of a pyramid. At the top of that maze, there's a green ball. And when we start the program, the green ball is going to fall down row by row through the maze. And each time it falls, there's a 50% chance it's going to the right and a 50% chance it's going to the left. Eventually, the ball will be down at the bottom. And when it reaches the bottom, it will fall into these packing things down here, packing bins, and will appear at the bottom of the bin unless there's already ball down there, in which case it will appear next up and next up and next up. So these bins down here, one for each position in the last row, will be filled until the first one gets completely filled, and then the simulation is over. So just to show you how this looks, to make a little change to the code, restart the program, and you can watch. Sorry about that. I shut down the window that I was sharing. So here's a picture of the program running. You can see that the green ball is falling through the maze, leaving a dot in a black dot in whatever position it occupied. So as the program runs for a longer and longer period of time, you may see a pattern occurring in the bins down at the bottom. Well, that's the program. I was able to complete it in about 100 lines of coding. I thought it was kind of interesting, both in terms of a programming exercise and also in terms of the results. You might figure out that there are a lot of GUI zero waffles in this program. Each row on the top is a waffle that is only 1 unit high. So here's one that's 1 unit across, 2 units across, 3 units across, etc. And over here, there are waffles that are only 1 unit wide and 12 units long. So these are individual ones going horizontally. These are individual ones going vertically. So let me know, again, first come, first served. Let me know if you think this is an interesting final project that you'd like to take on. Thank you so much for your attention.